Hey everyone, welcome back to Teagan Travels. Today we're exploring a hidden gem in Southern California that you might not have heard about, Temecula. Known for its outdoor activities like hot air ballooning and wine tasting, Temecula has much to offer, even on those rainy days when outdoor fun isn't an option. So grab your comfy shoes and join us as we check out some of the top indoor activities in Temecula, perfect for families, friends, or couples. First up, escape rooms. If you're into puzzles and mysteries, you'll love the variety of escape rooms in Temecula, each with its own unique theme and difficulty level. Test your teamwork and problem-solving skills as you race against the clock to escape. And keep watching because we'll show you a thrilling indoor racing experience in just a bit. Trampoline parks are the way to go if you're looking for a heart-pumping indoor activity. Bounce on wall-to-wall trampolines, play dodgeball, or challenge yourself on the ninja course. But first, let's get our bounce on. Next, we'll try our hand at a classic indoor activity, bowling. Bowling is a classic indoor activity that never goes out of style. In Temecula, you'll find several bowling alleys where you can bowl with friends or join a league. Some even have a bar and grill, so you can enjoy food and drinks while playing. Time to see if we can get a strike. And don't forget, we'll explore some art galleries later in the video. Temecula has indoor racing experiences for speed enthusiasts, where you can put the pedal to the metal. Race against your friends or family on exciting tracks designed for various skill levels. It's a thrilling indoor activity that will leave you with a sense of accomplishment. Now let's head to a more relaxing indoor activity. Art galleries. Temecula has a thriving art scene with numerous galleries showcasing local artists' works if you're in the mood for a more relaxed indoor activity. Explore the history and culture of the area through various exhibits, and even pick up some unique souvenirs or artwork as a memento of your trip. But before we wrap up, we can't forget about one of Temecula's favorite indoor activities, wine tasting. Temecula is known for its vineyards and wineries, and what better way to spend a rainy day than indulging in some wine tasting? Many wineries in the area offer indoor tasting rooms where you can sample various wines in a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Cheers to a perfect rainy day activity. So there you have it. Temecula has something for everyone, from adrenaline-pumping adventures to relaxing and indulgent experiences. If you'd like more information about the indoor activities we've covered in this video, or want to discover even more amazing things to do in this incredible city, click the link in the video description to visit the full article on our website. And if you want to dive deeper into all that Temecula has to offer, don't miss our other videos covering a wide range of topics. We've got you covered with our Temecula travel guide, as well as videos focused on outdoor activities, romantic and family activities, events and festivals, budget-friendly activities, and even a guide to planning your visit to Temecula. You'll find links to all of these videos in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Teagan Travels for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video!